Welcome to part 3 of my No Code series, where I'm building an impact measurement platform for a not-for-profit. So where we are today is we have built a survey, we've built some quantitative data, and we've pulled in external health data all into a BigQuery database. The reason we've done that is we want to make this data really readily accessible to play around with to measure impact for our not-for-profit. What we're going to do today is look at how we can start to visualize and create a bit of a user interface for this data, again, using no code. So to build this interface, what we're going to use is something called Google Data Studio, which is actually, for some reason, very typical Google, being renamed to Looker Studio at the moment, but the URL is Data Studio. So what you do is you go into Looker Studio, you create a new report. It'll prompt us to connect data. So what we'll do is we'll click BigQuery. This automatically picks up all of your recent BigQuery projects. So we'll select Impact Measurement Platform, which is where our data is stored. And the first thing we'll do is let's bring in some of that impact data that we had, and we'll bring in the survey responses. So there you have it. In 20 seconds, what we're able to do is connect our BigQuery to a visualization dashboard, which we can then start to build a bit of an interface around and measure impact. So if we click Add to Report, all of a sudden our data is now visual. We've gone from having our data stored in different sources, siloed sources, into one central BigQuery, and now it's spit out into a visual dashboard. And what we can do from here is start to link it into web pages and start to make it really usable, all with no code and all within a couple minutes. So stick around. In the next episodes, what I'll do is I'll start to look at how we can bring AI into this, and I'll also start to look at how we can make this a bit of an end-to-end solution so that it's actually usable as a platform versus just a bit of data.